Where are the kids? George?
Hello, my fellow sniffers and marlings. We are with the whole family today. Jersey is literally dancing. This video, I know, is already going to be crazy. Yeah, Jersey's excited. I would love to try to get her over here to show you that, but then it's mayhem.
She's so jealous I'm playing. I'm petting Cody. So.
She's so upset. We have a great video for you today. The whole family is here because it is, you guessed it, Leo's gender reveal party. There he is. This is the guy that you guys have given me, and I'm so thankful you did, and we all love Leo. So we're all here now for the big reveal. But Jenna wanted to include all of the birds, and I think we came up with a really, really cute way to do so. Now, before I go on, let me introduce you guys to everyone. This is, of course, my sister Jenna.
Hi, guys.
He's taken over my channel for the last 2 weeks. And getting his hair ready over here, forgetting that he's actually in a video, is
that's me.
George. Right? We have Vinny. Vinny, what do you have to say about this? Okay. And then we have Picasso. Picasso's over here playing with toys. He already took out his guests, but we'll show you guys that. And we have our most famous visitor that you guys love, Rocky.
Yeah.
Who else do we have? Where's Cody?
Right here.
Oh, Cody is now Jenna's new best friend, and Jersey is over there tripping out about it.
Okay, I guess that didn't happen.
This is the beginning of the end, guys. This is the beginning of the end. Jersey looks like she might want to come now.
Look at, look at,
What is he doing?
Leo.
Are you coming? I'd like to be in my reveal. Yeah. Let's see if Jersey will come say hi. Jersey, come here. Come here.
Come on.
Oh, Rocky's excited. This is what we're going to do today. We're going to first let all of the birds choose whether they think Leo is a male or a female. Who shall we start with, Jenna?
So I think we should start with Vinny, because I could also see how Vinny would get a little anxious around the camera and need to fly back home. So once we get his vote in. Yeah, do you want to be first? Huh? Yeah. Blue is for male and pink is for female.
Okay. Okay. How about this? I have 2 and you choose 1. And Vinny's like, I don't like this
He's
stuff.
gender fluid. Vinny thinks.
Oh my God! You think he's a boy? Yeah? Leo, he thinks you're a boy. You excited?
I mean, he could be.
Yeah. Okay. Who's next?
You want to do Rocky?
You want to do Rocky?
Let's do Rocky.
Okay.
Rocky?
Yay, Rocky's turn.
Leo, is he a boy or a girl? Pink is for... What are you afraid of? I'll do something.
Choose one, baby.
Treat.
It's a treat. Blue?
Boy!
Okay, you got a...
Oh my God! You're a boy! Uh-oh, Jersey's totally offended that we haven't asked her yet. It's okay. It's okay.
She's mad.
You're mad? It's okay. Don't be mad. Don't be mad at Mommy. Come on, Jersey. What do you got?
What do you think, Leo?
She said it's a girl!
Yay!
Clap for her.
Everybody's excited.
Evil family. We have Picasso and Cody. Well, Picasso's been chewing these up all day. So we're going to let him officially choose, though. Look, he's holding a pink one, but he didn't hear the question yet.
So now it's...
We have to make them even.
No, don't do that. Let's see if he will choose a pink one.
But then it's like there's more blue. Okay, Picasso. Boy or girl for Cody? Girl!
He's been eating the pink ones this whole time. Like, that's why there's more blue.
Oh, yeah. He's been choosing pink all day. You did very good work, baby. You want to go play with it?
Now we need to ask Cody.
But we have no more pink ones. Where are we going to get a... Okay, well, Vinny left. That's okay. He's like,
Here,
yeah.
Marla, hold him. I'll go get another pink one.
Ah, he left with you. This is a crazy house. By the way, guys, this is our decor. Hey, chicken head.
Oh, what has this world come to?
Okay. Chicken, is Leo a boy or a girl? A boy!
Yeah!
Yay! Do we remember who chose what?
Yeah.
Okay, Rocky chose a boy. Picasso and Jersey
Chose a
both
girl.
did girl.
Vinny chose a boy.
Vinny chose a boy. Are you a boy or a girl?
Are you a
Choose
boy
the
or a
the
girl?
This one. A boy?
No, he
Nah.
chose you both. He didn't say.
You know you're a
Which
girl.
one are you?
Leo straight up is not taking anything. Leo, look.
Look, by the way, guys, in my last vlog, I meant Leo smells like a lamb or a fish, not...
I don't know if that means not a girl and I'm a boy.
Hey, you can't get into the cupcakes!
Leo says that he cannot choose because that would be
Wow.
giving it away. So we have to respect that. All right, guys, here we go. So we're going to hear from Jenna and George. George, do you think Leo is a boy or a girl?
Based on the birds, I'm a little confused now because the birds have said that that he's saying it's a boy.
And you take all your advice from Rocky?
I don't know. They might know better than we do.
Okay.
But I was always thinking that it's a girl.
Always?
I always thought it was a girl.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go for girl.
Okay, what about you, Brett?
I am hands down a girl.
Oh
Think
my
it's a
God.
And
girl.
now, what do you think?
I don't know. I feel like she exhibits female behavior, but these thunder thighs, man. Like your thunder thighs just...
No, but have you ever seen a man with thunder thighs?
That's a good point.
That's a very good point. And what it is, Lou got in my head. Lou was like, Leo's a boy.
Oh, really?
So
Lou actually thought it was a boy.
Lou thought he was a boy, so I don't know. I think though the behavior for Leo around Rocky is totally female,
Yeah.
right?
But why would a female go woo woo?
Well,
I mean,
what? They're
like,
birds.
but it's a guy that should be doing that, no?
Yeah, but the bird doesn't
Right,
know.
Rocky?
Anyway, we have cupcakes. Jenna went to the store today and gave them the DNA testing, which is funny. They probably thought it was for a baby.
Yeah, I know. She was like, and I was like, it's just for a bird. And she's like, okay. What do you want me to do? And I picked out blue cupcakes and pink cupcakes, and I said, I don't want to know what the gender is. Here is the envelope. Open it. Take a cake box and put the gender, obviously if it's a girl, put the pink cupcakes in this cake box. If it's a boy, put the blue cupcakes in the cake box. And it was so cute because then I ran away and did a little bit of shopping and then came back and the box was there. And it was waiting there for me. And when I picked it up, another girl was like, bye, have a good day. She's all excited that I'm doing some sort of reveal for my bird. It was really adorable. So I've been so anxious to know, kind of down the middle for us in the house.
It could go either way.
The only thing I'm bummed about is I saw a picture of both cupcake options and none of them are gluten-free, so I can't even eat them.
That's okay. We'll eat it.
All right, are we doing this?
I don't know, how should we do it? Do we look at it first or do we
How about I do this? I'll do it to the camera and then let them
We're looking
see it
right at
first.
the camera. Stop.
Yeah, okay.
No, but they should see. Are they going to
Oh,
see
we'll see it at the same time.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't, because one thing I gotta tell you guys, I'll be a little disappointed if Leo's a girl.
I knew you kind of
I don't know.
would be.
Because,
All right.
Because you named him Leo and you're used to him being...
I'm nervous. I don't want to know. I can't.
It's on the other side, too.
I know. I'm doing it one by one. I
I'm
don't
not
wanna do
gonna look.
it. Yeah.
Oh
Maybe really taped this thing up well.
Oh my god, I can't. You're making me have anxiety. I feel like I'll find out my boy is a girl and that's traumatic. And it's like, I can't.
Rocky, you need to help me with this.
Look at
The cupcakes are coming out. Oh, okay, you're sleeping?
literally, Cody's just sitting here like snoozing. Oh my god.
All right, you guys ready?
Good
Wouldn't it be
Instagram.
kind of fun if we're looking at it and they open it and then they all see our faces like,
Yeah.
or do we want to reveal it to them
I don't know.
at the same time?
I don't know. Either way, it can be with
Leo, where are you going? Leo's like, I'm out of here.
The stress is too much. It's okay.
Okay, I'm really stressed right now.
I
I'm
know.
not
a
kidding.
little piece.
Okay, it's over. Like we're gonna know. But that's. Do you
Okay,
remember
okay.
Austin,
Oh.
the umbrella?
No,
guy?
don't
Oh.
change the subject.
Oh, I don't know if they saw it. Did they see?
I didn't see
I
it.
didn't
I'm
see.
looking.
anything.
Stop.
Should I do it? All right, I'm gonna do it.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2. No.
Stop! Just
Okay.
do it. I see.
Oh, I see something. It's a
He's a boy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look who's coming over. It's like pumpkin.
Vinny knew too,
Oh my god, it's a boy!
and Rocky knew too.
I think we're in the car a little bit too long.
It's okay.
They melted.
I can't believe
What?
it's a boy.
Wait, see, I said thunder thighs. And Lou is always right.
It's always
Yeah.
right.
Lou's an expert.
I know, I have to say, I was like, I thought he was gonna be a girl. And then I was holding this box and I was like, the blue cupcakes are in here. I know it. I just feel the blue cupcakes. I felt those in that.
I'm
energy.
like, I feel so happy.
You're so.
You guys are mean. I mean, I guess I never really would eat a cupcake.
Yeah,
anyway.
they
what do you
get her a
pretend?
gluten-free cake every year for her birthday. She's like, thanks.
I don't like cake.
I don't like cake. I like never ever ate like a waffle or like a pancake or like a donut. Like none of that ever like interested me.
And then they're like, gluten-free donut. And she's like, no, I don't do that sugar thing. And then like, we eat a donut. She's like, you guys are mean for me.
Not a donut. This thing.
Whatever.
Cupcake.
You can have the cream on top.
No. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this. Okay, so let us know in the comments if you love the reveal. If you knew that Leo was a boy, we put out an Instagram quiz, and most of you thought Leo was a girl. But I will say what I was
I'm a
going
little
to say.
surprised.
The umbrella cockatoo came out to be a boy. If you guys remember Austin, we had the tennis video, and then one day just dropped an egg. I'm serious. Like, I got Instagram DM. Did you hear about Austin? I'm like, is he all right? And they're like, yeah, he dropped an egg. I'm like, what?
Okay, guys, don't go to Ralph's. Because, like, my mouth is hella blue. I'm gonna go home looking like
First of all, if
Monster.
they live in anywhere else in the country, they don't know what Ralph's is.
What the hell, dude? My mouth is so blue now.
I know. Leo kissed me.
This is all food coloring.
Oh my god, yeah, it's hella food.
You guys are eating poison right now.
Want another one?
No!
Join it.
This is for real. This looks like paint. Literally looks like oil paint.
It is pink. Look at this.
Wow. I can't believe he's a boy. Wait, did I guess boy? I kind of guessed boy,
Yeah,
right?
you did, yeah.
I was like, yeah, I mean, like he's exhibiting female behavior, but those thunder thighs.
I literally have no idea what you're talking about with thunder thighs. Like,
Look
I've
at
never
this
seen a
size.
man been like, oh, my thunder thighs.
No, but look at these big ass thighs he has.
For the record,
It is
I
funny.
have fatter thighs than Joey and George.
You're a boy. Are you excited?
Did someone tell me how I'm supposed to go to Anu's dinner tonight with this?
Marlene, you need to take it off the nose. 'Cause it's
I
gonna-
got it off.
No, it's on your nose.
Are you
still.
kidding me? What is this stuff? Oh my god. Meanwhile, this
Still
guy.
more.
Vinny! There's a box here! Come here!
We're gonna do more gender reveals. I'm gonna make it happen. I already had an idea of what to do for Minnie.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Vinny gender reveal. If Vinny's a girl, I'm gonna die.
There's no way he's a girl.
Die. If he's a girl,
It's not possible.
I'm gonna die. We literally we called her Vinette.
This can't be. You can't be a girl.
Oh yeah. No, he can't be a girl. Why? Because
It's a
like,
behavior. Now Cody
Cody could be a girl. Or
Cody could be a girl.
Cody's a boy for sure.
We don't know.
Jenna's in love with Cody the last.
Oh my god, I'm gonna snatch him.
Oh.
If Joey was like, Cody or me, I'll be like,
It was a great
Oh.
ride, Joey. Bye.
Oh.
To hear.
I what this is.
Did you do
I don't know how anyone feeds their kids this. I was
Oh,
put on. You know what it is? I was repping purple lips.
literally look.
I was repping purple lips, meaning like, yeah, it's a girl. Then I took one bite in the cupcake, and now I'm representing blue lips.
All right, guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed this gender reveal video for Leo. The secret is out. Let us know in the comments what your favorite part was. If you loved seeing all of the birds. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Jenna Sarah, at Marlene McCohen. Do you even do Instagram? George has a really cute Instagram at Georgie Halali. Once I started managing it, that's when it became good. We love you guys so much. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe. We love you so much. I hope you enjoyed this Storytime Sunday. Bye! We have a problem.
What is it?
While Vinny flew away during our gender reveal,
Oh my god.
he made a donut in the wall.
Vinny, are you trying to escape?
Did you come?
Yeah. He said yeah.
I promised Vinny this box. After what he did to the wall,
He ain't getting no box.
do you want a box? You handsome boy. Okay.
Mom, we gotta tell Mom we know.
Oh, we gotta make that phone call.
Yeah.